Assalamu alaikum grade 3. Your English teacher Farzana is here with the second part of the story. Do you know what is the name of the story? Yes, the three little goats. In the last lecture, I told you that the goats had built a big house. Now let's see. What did the wolf do? This time, the wolf decided to eat all three goats. He went and started blowing the house. But the house was so strong that he failed to blow it. So, at last, he stopped blowing. When the wolf couldn't blow the house, he entered the house through a chimney. When the goats came to know about it, they burnt fire in the fireplace and put a large pot of water on the fire. The wolf was coming down through the chimney. It fell into the boiling water. The goats put the lid on the pot, and the wolf was dead. Students, the goats were very happy. They were not frightened because they had killed the wolf. Students, you have to read the story and you have to do your homework. And your homework is to match these sentences. Match the two parts very carefully. Write down complete sentences very neatly. Take a picture and send me on my email address. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.